FX movie presentation. More action. More attitude.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the ring cycle.
And more Alvin than one man can handle. Coffee. Alvin and the Chipmunks. Next on FX.
Okay, boys.
Let's get started.
It's the gift
Hey.
that keeps on giving.
Is it a puppy?
It's huge.
You've got to be kidding me.
The FX Very Merry Marathon begins Christmas Eve at 6 and continues all day Christmas.